can do it. What else say? I am a buffalo and I raise my shoulders. Can you do it? Do it. Do it.
Monkey. That's me, right?
You're my monkey. What did you say? I am a monkey and I can wave my arms. Can you do it? Do it. Do it. Wave your arm. Wave your arm. Wave your arm. Ooh, I can do it. Can you do it? Yeah.
Oh.
That's the next one.
I think it's going this one. Yeah.
Right there.
But even I got my hand.
Can you do it? I can do it.
Oh,
What?
my
Check.
goodness. And can I been
My back.
back?
Can you do it? Bend your back. Bend your back. Yeah.
I'm an alligator. This is a crocodile.
Uh-huh.
I'm a crocodile.
And I wiggle my hips. I am a camel and I bend my knees. Can you do it? I can do it.
That was what I was calling. I'm a donkey.
And like
Kick my foot.
my legs.
I'm an elephant. I stop my foot.
You sure? Good job. High five.
What's this one?
I am, and I wiggle my toes. Can you do it? I can do it.
The and me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a goldfish keep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a children looking at me. Oh, teacher. I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see?
I see a... No, I see a...
I know how to do that. Too easy.
I see a...
Brown bear, red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, white dog, a purple cat, a teacher, frog, and a goldfish, and a sheep.
Yeah.
Now let's do